Are you looking for a lightweight version of Windows 11 that feels faster, cleaner, and more responsive than the official release? Then today's video might be exactly what you're searching for. Welcome back to Tech for Boost. In this video, we're taking a look at Diablo Windows 11, a custom Windows build designed for users who want a debloated and optimized Windows experience. We'll go through the installation process, take a tour of the desktop, check the idle RAM usage, CPU usage, storage footprint, and explore the features included in this build. As always on Tech for Boost, this is a real review with no fake benchmarks, no unrealistic FPS claims, and no misleading information. Many Windows enthusiasts search for terms like Windows 11 Lite, lightweight Windows 11, custom Windows 11, and best Windows for low-end PCs. That's why videos like this are important, because they help you decide whether a custom operating system is actually worth trying. This review is focused on real-world experience. Is Diablo Windows 11 responsive? Is it lightweight? Does it remove unnecessary components? And can it provide a smoother experience compared to standard Windows 11? If you enjoy Windows Lite reviews, custom operating systems, and Windows optimization content, don't forget to subscribe to Tech for Boost, because I regularly test different Windows builds, including Ghost Spectre, TI and Y11, Revios, Atlasos, Windows X Lite, and many more. Now, let's install Diablo Windows 11 and see what it has to offer. If you'd like to try Diablo Windows 11 yourself, here's how you can download it. First, go to the download link in the pinned comment or in the video description. Once you're on the Themis page, you'll need to create a free Themis account or sign in if you already have one. After signing in, scroll down until you see the direct download section. Click on direct download, and then click the download button to start downloading the ISO file. Alternatively, if you prefer, you can also download the build using the torrent file provided on the page. The download link is available in the pinned comment and in the video description below.